In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. This is a common issue that can happen for several reasons, and getting your images to reappear can be straightforward with just a few steps. Let's dive right in. To start, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to its settings. You can find the settings by clicking on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the Chrome window. This is your gateway to fixing this frustrating issue once and for all. Once the drop-down menu appears, click on the Settings option. Now that you are in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Here, you'll find options that can directly affect how images are loaded. Click on it to proceed. Within this section, you need to select Site Settings. This is where we can tweak the behavior of your browser when it comes to displaying images. Once you're in the Site Settings, look for the section that says Images. Click on it, and you'll find some important settings to adjust whether or not images are automatically loaded in your browser. Make sure that the Show All option is selected. If it's already checked and the images are still not appearing, don't worry, there are more steps we can take to solve the problem. Another potential solution lies in clearing your cache and cookies. Go back to the Privacy and Security section and click on Clear Browsing Data. This action helps in removing any stored data in your browser that could be causing images not to load properly. When you're prompted, make sure to choose Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Clearing these might take a few moments, and remember that this will log you out of any websites you're signed into. After you've cleared the cache and cookies, check if the images are now visible. If they still aren't displaying, it might be due to an extension interfering with how images load. Return to the main settings menu and select Extensions. Here, you can see all the extensions installed on your browser. Disable them one at a time, refreshing a web page that wasn't displaying images after each one. This will help you identify the culprit, if any. If the images appear after disabling a certain extension, then you've found the issue and can remove that extension. Finally, as a last resort, you might need to reset Chrome to its default settings. Go back to Settings, and towards the bottom, you will see an option to restore settings to their original defaults. This step will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, but it won't affect your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. I hope these steps help solve the issue and get those images back up and running. With a little patience and following these clear instructions, you should be able to enjoy a fully functioning browsing experience once again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.